Welcome back to another episode of Kicking Asphalt. It is the New Year's Bash Street Stock Nationals week. This episode is presented by Sherry Smith, the mortgage lady, a mortgage loan professional with more than 30 years with old school approach to meeting your loan needs. Reach out to Sherry Smith at 678-859-0911.
We got a little bit of a sick Miller with us too. Old ceiling.
Got a little bit of whatever he got.
Yeah, a little ceiling fan done got a hold of him. I'm going to sound like I'm talking with damn helium, but Aaron don't want to make the 45-minute drive to Trackside Designs with us to go get decals. So, did I say Miller or did I say Aaron? Yeah, Aaron don't want to go. Miller gonna go with me though, but Aaron sure enough getting her butt up to go to the Waffle House with us. We're gonna go up here to the awful waffle spinning jukebox and have us a all-star special or what. Hell, I don't need none of that. I already got enough left side weight as it is. But she don't want to make drive with us, so we're gonna get, hell yeah, I know I need to wash the truck. You know, you ain't supposed to wash clothes on New Year's Day. I don't know about washing trucks. So let me know in the comments below all your superstitions. You superstitions. We ran shit out of that stop sign. But let us know all you superstitions below when it comes to New Year's Day. We park here at the McDonald's and walk over to the Waffle House. That way we ain't got to make no U-turn. It's a whole lot easier that way. There's a little path over here we can take. A little hole over here in the wall.
That's why I parked where I did. Follow the leader.
Follow the leader. Suck in if you're fat. They got me honey, lemon, hot water. We're going to try to get that voice back. Thank you to the Waffle House. What was you saying about overstimulated?
If that was ever a visual definition of overstimulated, a Waffle House with a weight, is it?
It was good though. Oh. She going to Target. Me and Miller go and get decals and throw them on the race car. Get ready for the New Year's Bash. Now that we done got the honey, whatever that concoction was that Waffle House waitress gave us, and a good waffle. We made it back with the decals. We're gonna let it warm up a little bit before we throw them on. We're gonna get some groceries for the weekend. Got my darling driving now, who don't feel good as well. She got one of these medicine balls, ball of medicine. I ain't never had one from the Bucks of Stars. So I'm gonna see if I can't go get me one of them.
What do you think about it?
Hey, I like it. That joker's good. What's all in it?
I have no clue.
We don't have no clue. We'll just shut up and take it. So hopefully it'll work.
Kroger has a Starbucks. That's why I'm making you go with me.
We're going to get some groceries. That way we can eat. We're going to be here 3 days, 4 days, whatever. Aaron's going to make sure we eat good. Menu time. While we get going to the Kroger, we'll let her run down the menu. We'll sell plates for $12.95 a piece in the trailer.
We're going to do chili.
Woo, chili.
We're going to do some pulled Hawaiian barbecue chicken.
Oh, we got cows coming from Hawaii.
We're going to do some chicken pasta, which is Mama Holly's recipe. So we're going to have some burro up in the trailer.
Yeah, the chicken pasta delicious.
And I haven't decided on anything else. We're going to see what speaks to me at the grocery store. But I will feed all of y'all.
There's a bunch of us. The whole Satterfield clan coming with us too. So, there'll be more than just beer intake. There'll be calories too of the food type. But we're going to drink this medicine ball and go on to Kroger. There is Starbucks. That was disappointing. Just $1 saved. That's it. $1 saved, $1 made. All right, now we got the grocery shopping done. Me and Fred's about to start laying decals down. Oh, Checkers runs around out here. How much these people pay?
where you can pull this paper off. You got that paper.
Start your year off stress-free and sell your home with a guaranteed offer from Mark Spainless. There's no obligation. Hi, this is Mark Spain, and their offers are the strongest.
Yeah.
This holiday season, Capital One reminds you to give yourself the gift of 1.5% cash back with the Capital One Foot Soul card. Can I hear?
Looks straight. Looks straight to me. Went and had us a new side skirt made to get that thing fitted up. We'll get her decaled up, be black, look good. A little different color, that'd be alright though. Little patches. I skipped ahead today. It's time to load now. All right, well, we got everything loaded up finally. Time to put the sunglasses on. Do a little bit of that 85 on 85 over to the New Year's Bash, Dillon Motor Speedway. Got a little bit more of a voice back today, so hopefully it'll be more back tomorrow. Fix the rope on the new Georgia hat. But y'all, if y'all can't come to Dillon Motor Speedway, you can watch all weekend on Racing America, see if we can get Bittersweet in the top 20 in qualifying. So other than that, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you next time. Take care.